Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for March 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Gemini. March 1 to 15. Fifth house, ayan. So, you are, mas nagiging creative ka, Gemini. You are tapping into your talents, your skills. Yung iba sa inyo, magaling kayo sa communication, magaling kayo sa public speaking, and also, pwedeng meron rin kayong pag-aaralan, no? Related sa inyong mga talento. Fifth house kasi is about your passion. So, maaring meron ka ipupursue na passion mo. You have Libra here, which is about balance in your life. I think matagal mo na rin itong pinag-iisipan kung ito-todo mo na yung energy mo sa iyong mga kakayanan. Some of you naman can be, parang magiging open ka sa relationship kung single ka ha. Kasi this is about dating, this is about having fun, enjoying yung company ng ibang tao. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong unexpected baby. So, syempre, kung kayo ay wanting to have a baby, then go for it. Pero if you're not yet ready, be careful. Let's see your overall energy. Ooh, Five of Pentacles. Can be a challenging situation pagdating sa iyong finances. Maaring medyo mag-struggle ng konti, no? Pagdating sa kaperahan. Some of you naman, this can be, yung parang feeling mo mag-isa ka lang. Feeling mo, walang tumutulong sa'yo, walang nag-a-assist sa'yo, walang sumusuporta sa'yo. Let's see your challenge. Six of Wands. As a challenge, maaring may frustration ka dito na parang you want to achieve things in a short period of time. Yung parang nagmamadali, no? Actually, yung success, nasa yun na yan, no? Sabi nga, your success is now at hand. Kaya lang, kailangan kasi rito ng mas positibong pananaw sa buhay. Kung kasi, minsan kasi tinitingnan natin yung negative side ng situation natin, which is normal. Kasi I also have that experience. Sometimes na, minsan panghihinaan ka talaga ng loob na, bakit ganito, ganyan, hindi nagwo-workout para sa ang isang bagay. Kaya lang kasi, the more na iniisip mo siya, yun yung manifest mo. So, you really have to change your mindset into, instead of losing or failing mindset mo dapat winner. To become that successful person na you are supposed to be. Kasi nandyan na, you are already in that. You already have it. Kailangan na lang i-align mo yung sarili mo, yung actions mo, yung mindset mo. Your opportunity is the Knight of Wands, o going to a new direction, or mas mag-take ka ng risk. Oo. Yung fears ninyo, no? You really have to face your fears. Na minsan talaga nakakatakot, minsan parang lalo na't hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari in the future, diba? But kailangan mo kasi dito na may lakas ng loob ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi otherwise, you will feel stagnant. This is about movement, no? Taking action, doing things, pursuing your passion. Oo. Na kahit na parang sa una ang hirap, walang pumapansin sa ginagawa mo, walang pumapansin sa talents mo, pero eventually, no, pag tsinaga mo talaga, ibibigay sa'yo yung dinideserve mo. It takes a lot of hard work, and it's not just about hard work but also believing in yourself na kaya mo. Your blessing is the Page of Wands. So, this is about exploration. Alam mo, Gemini, mas magiging blessed ka if you are more curious, if you are a wanderer, kumbaga, yung tipong wanderer na yung nag-explore ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo na hindi ka nag-hold back, hindi ka natatakot. But at the same time, no, you also do your due diligence na syempre hindi naman to the point na magiging pabaya ka na or parang irresponsible ka na sa mga actions mo, 'di ba? Na kaya nga to merong magnifying glass. Kasi sinusuri muna niya, no? Chine-check niya muna, maganda ba tong path na to? Kaya ko ba to? Or do I have the courage or excitement na gawin to? Kasi kung napipilitan ka lang, it's not gonna work, no? Dapat galing talaga sa'yo na ito yung nagpapa-excite sa'yo, ito yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? Pwede rin merong unexpected travel. This is a short distance travel na pwedeng free travel sa'yo na makakapunta ka sa isang lugar nang wala kang gagastusin. Your money, career, finances, the Queen of Pentacles, this is stability in your finances. Whatever this is na financial challenge mo, ma-overcome mo yan. You just have to change your mindset na mas positibo. And also be more patient with the Seven of Pentacles. Kasi minsan marami tayong parang gustong madaliin. Na, halimbawa, katatanim mo pa lang nung puno or nung halaman, gusto mo na agad mamunga. Syempre, it takes time, 'di ba? For something to grow. So, your patience and determination, yan yung magdadala ng sa'yo sa tagumpay. Pagdating sa career path mo, sa business mo, and then sa love life, you have the Hermit and the Fool. Okay. For some of you, Gemini, if you've been single for a long time, no? Kung matagal ka ng single, maaring ngayon, na-realize mo na kailangan mo palang lumabas at makimingle, kumbaga, 'di ba? To talk to people, to be part of a group. Oo. Kasi pag ina-isolate mo yung sarili mo, sino ba yung makikilala mo? Diba? Yun kung gusto mo ng relationship. Okay? So, this is about taking a risk pagdating sa relasyon. Kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo, may trauma sa relationship kaya parang ayaw nyo. Pero, kung matagal ng single, kailangan nyo nang mag-mingle. Uncertain. Diba? Kasi may mga bagay na hindi kayo sigurado. And sometimes, hindi kayo makapag-decide kung anong gagawin nyo, anong path yung tatahakin nyo. And pag ganon, masastuck talaga kayo. But, yeah, excuse me. Constellation, which is about network. Yung iba sa inyo, nagpapalawa kayo ng network. Maaring may mga bagong friends kayo na makikilala. The more you explore kasi, the more na lumalaki yung circle mo, lumalaki yung network mo. And ito ay magbibigay sa'yo ng mas maraming opportunities. Diba? You have to be open to that. And also, maging maingat, no, sa mga taong sasamahan mo. Hindi naman porket sinabi dito na mag-explore ka, meet new people, kahit kung sino na lang, pipiliin mo rin, no? You have to be cautious kasi iba-ibang intensyon ng tao. Okay? Also have abundance, diba? Merong harvest. Whatever this is na ine-effortan mo, tinatrabaho mo, at naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, you're going to harvest the fruits of your labor. Divine Feminine, you are being called on to rise. Yes. Tinatawag ka daw na umangat. Talagang literal It's like, rise, tumayo. 'Di ba? Gawin mo yung sa tingin mo na makakabuti para sa'yo. To finally take action, to finally get out of your comfort zone. You have the second house. You have Virgo and Jupiter. Wow, napakaganda kasi Jupiter is abundance, expansion in your second house, in your finances. I think ngayon, kapag mas dumami yung income mo or yung mga pumapasok sa'yo na nakaperahan, mas magiging maingat ka na ngayon sa pag-handle nito. It's like you're going to manage it well or carefully. Kasi maraming opportunities for you to earn money. Hindi lang trabaho, hindi lang business, malawak yung potential. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.